Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a name and a couple of backups because your first choice may be taken. Once done, use a registrar search to test availability and compare TLDs. Com is common, but alternatives can fit your purpose. Make sure you have an account email, a credit card or PayPal ready, and decide whether to add Who is Privacy now. These steps get you ready to move straight into purchase without delay and explain why each decision matters for ownership and branding. You proceed by picking a registrar and creating an account. Vendors offer different prices and bundled services, so review renewal and transfer policies. Once the domain is in your cart, pick a registration term and enable Who is Privacy if you want contact data shielded. After purchase, go straight to DNS settings. Either point name servers to your hosting provider or add a CNAME, and MX records manually. This is where your site and email routing are established, so enter records accurately and save changes. Finish by confirming ownership. Click the verification link sent to your registrant email and check the domain shows in your dashboard. Once verified, test DNS propagation using lookups and wait for updates to spread globally. Propagation can take minutes to 48 hours, so be patient. Make sure your website loads and emails route as expected, then enable auto-renew and registrar lock to protect the domain. If something fails, the key troubleshooting tip: recheck DNS entries for typos and ensure name servers match your hosting provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.